In today's video, we're going to go over a couple stretches that'll help you with your knee pain. The first ones are going to be your quad stretches, and then we'll go into our hamstring, and then finally we'll end with the calf. Now, after we're done with these stretches, we're going to do some air squats to strengthen your knee muscles.
The first stretch will be a standing quad stretch. First, you're going to place your hand on a wall or a solid surface to help with balancing while performing the stretch. Next, you're going to bend your leg behind you and use your other hand to hold the foot of the leg that is being stretched. Hold this stretch for 20 to 30 seconds and then make sure to repeat on the opposite leg. You will perform this stretch 2 more times after the first initial set. Next, we'll be doing a kneeling quad stretch. Before you begin, place a pillow on the ground to ensure proper knee support. Put the knee that you are stretching on the pillow and place the opposite leg out in front of your body for balance. Next, pull your foot of the knee that you are stretching towards your back and hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Switch to the other leg and make sure to repeat. You're going to want to do this 2 more times after the initial stretch. The first hamstring stretch will be performed while standing. Step 1 is to lift the leg that you are stretching and place it on a table. Make sure to keep your back and knees straight while leaning towards that leg. Hold 20 to 30 seconds and then switch to the opposite leg. You're going to repeat this stretch 2 more times after the first initial set. The second hamstring stretch of today's video will be on the ground. Find a comfortable place and sit on the floor and cross one leg towards your body. The other leg will be extended straight out. While keeping your back and your knees straight, slightly lean towards the extended foot. Next, hold this stretch for 15 to 20 seconds and make sure to repeat with the opposite leg. You will perform 2 more sets of this stretching exercise. For our first calf stretching exercise, we're going to be on our feet. You're going to want to extend both hands out in front of your body and place them on a wall or a solid surface for support. Place the leg that you are not stretching out in front of you with the knee bent, and then hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Once you are done, make sure to switch to the opposite leg and repeat this stretch 2 more times. The final stretch will be a calf stretch, and it will be performed on the ground in a push-up position. First, get in a push-up position using your hands to support your weight. Then, cross the foot that is not being stretched over the one that is being stretched. You're going to push your heel towards the ground of the foot that is being stretched and allow the opposite foot to help in order to ensure that the heel stays connected to the ground. As the foot gets closer to the ground, you should feel the stretch increase. Hold this stretch for 20 to 30 seconds and then switch to the opposite leg. You're going to repeat this stretch 2 more times after that. We're going to conclude this video with an exercise that will help strengthen the knee. Get in a clear area and make sure to place your hands together and hold them close to your body. Place your feet so they are shoulder width apart, and then begin to squat by keeping your back straight and your knees back. Act as if you're about to sit in a chair to help you get the movement right. You're going to perform 10 to 15 controlled repetitions and then rest 30 seconds to a minute in between each set. You're going to repeat this for 2 more times after the initial set.